Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on submitting your tickets to win prizes for our summer reading program this year. So to begin, you will go to boylepublib.beanstack.org and we're going to sign in. Once you sign in, you will see the challenges that you are enrolled in. So let's return to our Imagine Your Story Summer Reading Program Challenge. Here you will see the dashboard for this specific challenge. And along this middle area are tabs, one of which is called Ticket Drawings. Quick note, if you have not yet already done so, you can complete this survey and be awarded a bonus activity badge. That's under activity badges. So cool points if you get that. Otherwise, to submit your tickets, we are going to choose Ticket Drawings. And under this tab, you will see how many tickets you have available to spend for prizes. When you scroll down, you see the options that you have for your challenge for prizes. For the adults, we have a $25 gift card and the Amazon Fire HD tablet. This is actually an HD10 tablet. I'll need to update that on the website. So, in order to add tickets to the prize you would like, you simply select Add Tickets. A pop-up will appear and you can choose how many tickets you would like to submit for that prize. You can choose all of them or a different number. I'm going to enter 2 tickets for the tablet and 1 ticket for the gift card. Now remember, you can add as many or as few tickets to each prize as you would like. And if you are not interested in a prize, you don't have to submit any tickets at all. So I've submitted my tickets and I'm ready to go. Now, if you have multiple readers on your account, you will use this drop-down menu over here to choose the reader that you would like to go to next, and then select the challenge from that reader's account. When you select the challenge, you will be given these same options. Again, the activity badge is there to complete the survey to get a bonus badge, and the ticket drawings tab will be there as well. Now remember, we need to get our tickets submitted before Monday, August the 3rd. So if you haven't submitted your tickets yet, do so at your earliest convenience. We will be drawing for the winner on the week of August the 3rd, and we will reach out to those people individually. Okay, I think that that's all that there is to know about tickets. If you have any questions at all, send them our way, and we're happy to answer those for you. Otherwise, be safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, and we will see you at the library. Take care.